Let's start with our second lecture of last unit of subject electronics measurements and instrumentation systems. Types of signal conditioning. There are two types of signal conditioning. One is DC signal conditioning unit and second is AC signal conditioning unit. DC signal conditioning unit. DC signal conditioning unit contains transducer, input protection system, instrumentation amplifier, filter, sample and hold circuit, isolation, driver, V2I converter, A to D converter, that is analog to digital converter, RS485 communication system, excitation voltage and power supply unit. Let's see one by one. DC signal conditioning unit receives the input signal from transducer. Input protection. It is used to transducer is isolated from signal receiving unit and protected from high voltage transients. Metal oxide varistor gives transient protection by passing voltage surge to ground. Instrumentation amplifier. A low amplitude DC input signal is amplified using instrumentation amplifier. This also prevents loading effect of signal. Communication mode signal is blocked and different mode signal is amplified. Next is filter. This block removes unwanted noise pickup from main signal. It is used to improve signal to noise ratio. Sample and hold circuit block. This block is used to maintain the signal level constant for a set duration of time. This is particularly required when signal is rapidly varying. Normally, this block is used along with A to D converter. Isolation. This block protects the electronic components of signal conditioning unit from voltage transients and power line shorting incidents. Driver block. It amplifies the signal and does V2I, that is voltage to current conversion for transmission. A to D converter. It converts analog signal to digital signal. RS485 communication. For transmitting digital signal over two-wire system to receiving unit, this block is used. Excitation voltage. This block gives necessary operating supply to sensor for its operation, that is conversion of physical quantity in electrical signal. Next is AC signal conditioning. AC signal conditioning unit consists of transducer, input protection, instrumentation amplifier, oscillator and excitation, power supply, zero correction, span correction, RMS or DC, filter, sample and hold circuit, isolator circuit, A to D converter, as RS485 transmitter and driver. Let's see one by one information of block. AC signal conditioning unit receives the input signal from transducer. Input protection. Transducer is protected from high voltage transients such as overexcitation voltage. Instrumentation amplifier. Low amplitude AC input signal is amplified using instrumentation amplifier. Common mode AC signal is blocked and differential mode signal is amplified. Filter. Filter is used to improve signal to noise ratio of signal. High frequency noise pickup in signal is blocked and low frequency signal is passed away. Sample and hold circuit. Sample and hold circuit is used to maintain the signal level constant for a set duration for a time for analog to digital conversion. In sample and hold circuit, we are going to set one format or one value of low, lower and higher to maintain the signal level constant. Isolation. This block protects signal conditioning unit from voltage transients and power line shorting incidents. If any short circuit is occurred in circuit. Isolation provides the protection to the all circuits involved in AC signal conditioning unit. Driver block. It amplifies the signal and does V to D conversion for transmission. A to D converter. It converts analog signal to digital signal. RS-485 communication. For transmitting digital signal over a two-wire system to receiving unit, this block is used. Excitation voltage. This block gives necessary operating supply to transmitter or transducer for its operation, that is conversion of physical quantity in electrical quantity. Excitation frequency of 1 kHz to 10 kHz is normally applied. Thank you.